Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to share with you guys exactly how to farm the Arichain AriWallet incentivized testnet. Right, there's currently a testnet from Arichain that we can actually start farming some Ari tokens, right, for absolutely free. We just have to do some little daily transactions, or just some daily interactions with the application. It's kind of like Trust Wallet and all those other wallets we use, right? But right now this is in the testnet phase. It's not actually a mainnet, so it's not live yet. But yeah, we can actually start working on this, making some money from it, or making some points and tokens that will later be airdropped to us, for real tokens with value, right, in crypto. And yeah, that's just basically what this entire thing is about. You can come over here to the Twitter, read up about them and all that stuff. But I'm quite bullish on this particular project. As you can see on my screen, these are some of the companies, some of the institutions backing them, right, behind them. So it's kind of, looking good. And of course, it doesn't hurt to farm a little bit here in case it actually does really, really well. You're going to be happy with yourself, right? So let's just get straight into the video. Let's just get into the details of how to actually farm this for yourself and make the best from Arichain. All right, guys, so this is actually AriWallet right now, and once you download the app, you're going to be met with this particular page. You're going to see where it says testnet, and you're going to see where it says mainnet, and as you can see here, it says coming soon, right? So obviously it's not yet live, so we are only farming the testnet right now. So if you click on testnet, it's gonna take us to the login page, but because you don't have an account, I would assume you don't have an account for you to be watching this video. So just click on sign up, right, and then just read through the terms of service. You can read through them and all that stuff. If you're too lazy to read through them, you can just copy everything and then send to ChatGPT or something to summarize the entire thing for you, so you know exactly what you're getting into. Read through the terms of services, agree to collect and use personal information if that's okay by you and all that stuff. Click on agree to all, click on next, right? So right here you're just going to put in your email address, put in your password, and then put in confirming your password, and then put in a referral code. Now for this referral code, you're going to be using this particular code I'm going to be using here. Just click here, this particular code on the screen right now. You'll be using it as your referral code, and I believe you're going to be getting something, some kind of extra reward, or some kind of incentive for using the referral code, right? So let me just quickly create my own account, and let's just get back into it. All right, guys, so the email was sent to me. That's my Arichain email address. Sorry, yeah, the new um account I'm creating, they sent me an OTP, like an email, to confirm my account, right? So I'm just gonna come here and just click on uh please enter, just enter that right there and click on next, right? Next. And my account should be fully created and verified. So I'm just gonna wait a bit, let it just load up. And as you guys can see, yeah, this is my account right now, and this is my master key, as you can see. And I'm just going to be blurring that out since it's private information, but you can copy that and keep it somewhere safe, right? It's kind of like the key to your entire wallet. You can access it through this key, so it's incredibly important to keep safe, right? You don't want the wrong people to be with it, especially when it's an account you're going to be using. So yeah, I've copied my own down. I'm going to click on OK, right? So I've gotten 50 ARI points for using that referral link, and it prompts this daily check-in stuff. So I'm going to click on check-in. It's going to give me an extra 10, I believe. Yes, should give me an extra 10. Yes, making it 60. For using the referral link, you're going to be getting 50 ARI tokens for absolutely free, right? And then just click on daily login, and you should get 10 again extra for absolutely free, right? So now this is basically how you farm this stuff. Just come over here every single day, click on daily login, click on it and claim your daily 10 ARI coins for yourself, and then come over to this hamburger button up here, today's quiz, right? Today's quiz. And you're also going to see the daily check-in, but because I've already done this before, you can see I've already done it before, so I can't check in anymore. I can only close this right now. So the next thing now to do is to click on today's quiz, and it's going to give us a quiz, right? It's going to say, like for today, today right now, the quiz is what is the penalty when a BP or a BO is offline, right? So you can just copy this particular question right now. You can copy this entire question right now, go over to ChatGPT or whatever, or if you know the answer, you can just simply click on the answer, right? But for the answer for this particular one right now is this number three. Is this number three right here, which is no rewards for the offline period? Just click on that, click on check. Congratulations, you have earned 10 ARI coins for answering correctly, right? So I'm going to click on OK, and you can see just like that, very easily I've gotten over 70 ARI tokens at this particular point, right? With this new account, right? So those are the two ways you can earn ARI coins as of right now. And if you want to actually earn more, you can actually refer your friends. Just click on that hamburger menu again, and then click on referral code. You can see the referral code for this particular account. If your friend uses your referral code, you're going to be getting about 100 ARI coins, right? So this is another way you can actually earn for yourself, right? By referring your friends to Ari Wallet, and then they participate, and you make a little bit of Ari tokens or Ari coins, and they as well make some Ari tokens for themselves, right? Remember to join our Telegram account. Let's just get there. All right, so this is our official Telegram account right now. We just 18 subscribers right now. Shout out to all my subscribers. You guys can see them here. Shout out to all my guys, right? So join us right now. Join us. You know, the community is ever expanding. You can see I've been dropping some updates here almost every single day right now. And also I'm going to be dropping the daily quiz, the daily quiz answers over here. So feel free to join us here. It's going to be a lit one, trying to grow a very, very active cryptocurrency community where all of us win, and we win huge. We are not just winning little, right? We're winning huge, huge on this particular space. There's a lot of opportunities for money to be made. I want to take you guys along with me. So please leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications if you actually gained anything at all. And I'll see you guys in the next one.